Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best astrology gifts is probably one of the most exciting and personalized ways to connect with the young stargazers in your life, offering a unique blend of cosmic wonder and self-discovery that resonates deeply with the teenage spirit, making it a truly memorable and thoughtful present that goes beyond the ordinary and taps into their burgeoning sense of identity and fascination with the universe. Number 5. Mind-glowing Galaxy Moon Lamp. Transform any room into a stunning starlit galaxy with this lamp. Choose your perfect size and control the ambience easily with touch or remote. Let nights be dreamy and imaginations bright. Turn every night into a calming adventure with 16 soothing colors and 4 cycling modes. Choose the perfect hue for any mood, creating an ideal atmosphere for peaceful dreams. This lamp creates a soothing, secure environment with up to 20 hours of light. Its dimmer and auto-off timer ensure a calming glow that promotes restful sleep. Designed with durability in mind, it features BPA-free materials and a splinter-free wooden stand. Its cool-to-touch LED lights make it a safe and sturdy addition to any child's room. Spark imagination with this award-winning favorite. It makes the perfect gift for birthdays or any special occasion, offering a timeless present for your loved ones. What we like? Transform any room into a stunning starlit galaxy with this lamp. It offers 16 colors and multiple modes to suit any mood, creating a dreamy atmosphere. If you're looking for a way to bring a sense of wonder and calm to a teen's bedroom, this is an excellent choice, especially with its comforting glow and auto-off timer for peaceful sleep. What people say. The product is well-made and durable. The design is attractive and appealing to teens. It's a unique and thoughtful gift idea. Number 4. Lucky Feather Taurus Zodiac Necklace. Embrace your celestial identity with this elegant Taurus necklace. It's a beautiful way to express your unique zodiac sign. Crafted with a luxurious 14K gold plating, this pendant offers a radiant shine. It's designed to be a lasting and stylish accessory. Stay on trend with this horoscope-inspired piece. It perfectly blends astrological significance with contemporary fashion. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This necklace is ideal for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any occasion to show you care. Featuring an adjustable chain from 16 to 18 inches, it ensures a comfortable and personalized fit for any wearer. Celebrate the strength and charm of Taurus with this exquisite zodiac pendant. It's a subtle yet meaningful addition to any jewelry collection. What we like? This necklace features a beautiful 14K gold-plated zodiac pendant, perfect for expressing personal style. It's adjustable to fit comfortably, making it a versatile accessory. If you want to gift a teen a trendy piece of jewelry that's both meaningful and stylish, this is a great option for birthdays or Mother's Day. What people say. This is a great gift for teens who are interested in astrology. The product is well made and the design is very attractive. It's a unique and thoughtful gift that any teen would love. Number 3. Beautlace Horoscope Zodiac Stud Earrings. Introducing a unique collection of stud earrings, inspired by the 12 constellations of the Zodiac. Express your personal astrological sign with these stylish pieces. Available in 3 elegant finishes, classic 18K gold, sleek silver, and modern black gun plating. Choose the one that best complements your individual style. These little ear studs make a big statement about who you are. They are designed to be a subtle yet meaningful addition to any outfit. Perfect for women, men, and teens alike, these earrings are a versatile accessory. They're designed to be enjoyed by anyone who loves astrology and unique jewelry. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These constellation earrings are an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of personalized style. Embrace your inner astrology enthusiast with these beautifully crafted ear studs. They blend the magic of the stars with contemporary fashion trends. What we like? These stud earrings showcase 12 different constellations, offering a subtle yet stylish nod to astrology. Available in gold, silver, or black gun plating, they suit any preference. If you're looking for a small, everyday accessory that lets a teen express their zodiac sign, these unisex earrings are a fantastic and versatile choice. What people say. The astrology gifts for teens are a great way to explore their interests in the cosmos. These gifts often feature beautiful designs related to zodiac signs and constellations, making them visually appealing. Many of these items are educational, providing fun facts about astrology and astronomy that can spark curiosity. Number 2. Cutefun Astrology Bookshop Book Nook Kit. Embark on a creative DIY journey with this miniature astrology bookshop kit. It's specially designed for beginners and craft enthusiasts alike. Discover a charming little world filled with intricate details. Immerse yourself in the warm glow of soft lighting and enchanting decor, featuring elements like tarot cards and crystal balls. This spiritual space invites relaxation and introspection, creating a unique and mysterious atmosphere. Enjoy a fun and engaging 3D puzzle experience with 155 pieces that mostly snap together. With a little patience and care, you can complete this rewarding project in about 3 to 5 hours. This kit includes all the wooden pieces, clear instructions, and an LED light set. You'll just need to provide glue and 2 AAA batteries, which are not included for shipping convenience. Looking for a unique gift? This dollhouse kit is an ideal present for anyone who loves books or exploring the mystical. It's an intriguing project that offers a satisfying and engaging experience. We've carefully checked this kit to ensure all parts are complete. If you encounter any issues during assembly, please reach out to us directly for immediate assistance. What we like? This is a creative DIY project that builds a miniature astrology bookshop with enchanting details and soft LED lighting. It's a fun and engaging activity for teens who enjoy crafts and a touch of mystery. If you're seeking a unique gift that provides hours of entertainment and results in a beautiful decorative piece for a bookshelf, this Book Nook kit is ideal. What people say. The Astrology Journal is a great way for teens to explore their zodiac sign and learn more about astrology. This astrology gift set includes a variety of items, such as a birth chart reading, a personalized horoscope, and a crystal set, making it a comprehensive and thoughtful present. The constellation projector creates a beautiful starry night sky effect in any room, perfect for teens who love space and astrology. Number 1. Ramen and Astrology Teen Girls T-shirt. Are you a fan of anime, ramen, and the stars? This t-shirt is designed just for you. It's the perfect blend of your favorite things. Looking for a special gift for the teen girl in your life? This tee makes an amazing present for birthdays or any occasion. It's sure to be a hit. Made for comfort and style, this t-shirt is perfect for everyday wear. Show off your unique interests with this eye-catching design. Do you love exploring the mysteries of astrology? This shirt combines celestial themes with a fun, anime aesthetic. It's a great way to express yourself. If you can't get enough ramen, this t-shirt is for you. It celebrates your love for this delicious dish in a cool, graphic style. You'll love wearing it. This is a must-have addition to any teen girl's wardrobe. It's trendy, fun, and speaks to a passion for both anime and the cosmos. Get yours today. What we like? This t-shirt combines 2 popular themes, ramen and astrology, with a cool anime graphic. It's designed specifically for teen girls who love unique and fun apparel. If you're looking for a casual, eye-catching t-shirt that reflects a teen's interests in a playful way, this is a perfect gift that's sure to be a hit. What people say. The Astrology Journal is a great way for teens to explore their zodiac sign and learn more about astrology. This astrology gift set includes a variety of items like a crystal, a tarot deck, and a zodiac-themed necklace, offering a comprehensive introduction to astrology for teens. The design of the astrology-themed items is modern and appealing to teenagers, with celestial patterns and vibrant colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.